We haven't said it for a while, but it seems that YouTube are looking to change their algorithm, but this time they're focusing squarely on the subscriber box and chronological order. That's what we talk about today. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe. Start creating. Now over time on YouTube, they tweak, they change, they remove features, they upgrade things, they optimize things, they try new betas. And over time, some of those things do quite well, and some of those things broke the sub box 5 years ago and never got fixed. And it now seems that YouTube are beta testing even more things that the YouTube community are a bit wary of, which is non-chronological order of the subscriber box. When you subscribe to a YouTube channel right now, the way it works, or it should work, is that the videos are added to your subscriber feed based on when they were last published. So you scroll down and at the top of the list is the most recent, and as you scroll down they get older and older and older. That's the best way, in my opinion, to hide and hunt out those people that you want to find, right? That's what we're used to. Okay, so Alan publishes at 9 in the morning, it's now 3 hours past, I'll scroll down 3 hours, there he is. But Twitter, Facebook and Instagram have slowly removed chronological order, and they start firing at you what they believe by algorithmic based entities that this is the most popular. This is the one that you're more likely to want to see. You've interacted with similar posts like this in the past, so here you go, here's another advert for such and such, or here's your best friend complaining or praising her wonderful little new baby that looks like a potato alien that you don't want to see 50 million more pictures of, but still, Facebook, here you go. So it seems this is what YouTube is attempting themselves now. What it will do is it looks at the videos that you watch more often, the creators that you watch more often, the ones that you are more loyal to, that you are more likely to always watch the videos of. No matter what, there's a video, click. No matter what, those are the ones that you see consistently. They will now be at the top of your subscriber feed, or could be if this beta is successful. However, they are suggesting in the long run that you might be able to turn it off, right? Because they always do. But these kind of things might become more normal. This might become the new default. I mean, how many times have you clicked on the news feed on Facebook and said, no, not the most popular, most recent, and it resets like 2-3 hours later? Their logic behind this is that you'll be able to find the videos that you want to see quicker because we know your behaviour. So there you go. Watch this. This is what you wanted to watch anyway, right? There has been a massive outpouring from many YouTubers. I myself are on this side of the debate. I want an option where it's not optimized. I don't want YouTube to constantly, or any other platform for that matter, to constantly spoon feed me what they think I want. Because if I want it, I'll go out and look for it, right? I've subscribed to these 10, 50, 100 channels because I want to see every one of these videos. I want to make a conscious effort to watch it or not watch it, not have it hidden away from me. So one creator tweeted at YouTube, why aren't my videos in a subscription feed in chronological order anymore? And Team YouTube replied, just to clarify, we're currently experimenting on how to show content in subs feeds. We find that some viewers be able to find it more easily to find videos they want to watch when order in subs feed is personalized versus showing most recent video first. Word quickly spread, and this is when the big boys waded in. Grace Helbig doesn't like the idea. Ali A also said, please, just don't do this. Even Jacksepticeye has directly replied, people use the subscription tab to mainly avoid this sort of algorithmic behaviour on the platform. Please keep that to the homepage and the recommendations. Keelan from H3H3 made a video, and in that video he's basically just saying, you know, they're coming for us, dudes. They're coming for the sub box again, right? Last time they broke it, this time they're going to take the last bastion of personalization away from it. And Ali A has even said, what's the point of having a subscription box now? Just remove the subscribe buttons and just spoon feed us whatever you want us to watch, because clearly at this rate you're slowly chipping away personal choice. So I guess this is a good point to ask, what's your opinion on this? Is this them testing something and, you know, maybe you'll like it? You know, maybe you want to be spoon-fed stuff, you like how it automates it, and it works quite well for you. Do you think this will become the new default and you'll be fed up of constantly clicking newest first at the top until you give up, and then fine, then the subs box is now just another way for them to promote Logan Paul and PewDiePie and Jacksepticeye and any other celebrity that they've put on YouTube Red? Or are you adamantly straight against this and would prefer that it just stays unoptimized? You'll optimize it yourself. I want the newest first at the top. I want to be scrolling through so I know which ones I've missed. Also, fix the box so it always sends out subscriptions properly, not just to 10% of the people that follow channels. Please, YouTube. In my opinion, fine. Betas will always happen. They'll get a response, and they've got a response. Maybe this is the response that they wanted to hear, and now that they know that people are going to be against it, maybe they won't implement it. I mean, after all, that's what a beta's for. To test, to see, to taste test their ideas, and if we don't like the taste of, I don't know, chocolate cake and turkey skin wrapped in cranberry sauce, then fine. Having said that, turkey skin, chocolate cake, cranberry sauce does actually sound quite good. But yeah, all we can do is wait and see, and we know that if they change this, they're also not just doing the subs box, they're also looking at some kind of algorithm change, because they always are, because they're having to look at how often you watch things, and they're offering more suggestions, so maybe it's more suggestion weighted, which now means that if you're suggested, it's more better than watch time. I don't know, we'll see. What do you think? Please leave a comment down below. But that's my thoughts on the recent subscription box changes, or the suggested beta. For more tricks and tips on how to grow your YouTube channel, there's a PDF up here in the description down below. Hit that subscribe button to be alerted to news stories and tricks and tips videos. Hit that notification icon to be alerted immediately when I go live or when my videos are published. Go out there, start creating.